Hi everyone, this is Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today we are going to do a product review, a heat review on this product that Raluca told me about. She found it online and I actually found it. I looked at all the grocery stores, no one had it, and today I happened to be in Walgreens of all places and they had it. And what is it? It's called Takis Fuego hot chips, and you know they're hot when you look really close. Right over there, oops, right over here, there's flames. Okay, so if there's flames on the package, it's got to be hot. Okay, so I don't know what they're all about. It's Fuego hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chips, artificially flavored. You got to watch the artificial flavor. Down here in the corner, it says the amount of heat, it says extreme. Extreme. I mean, hey, you can't make this stuff up. See? Right down there. Extreme. Okay, so this is just a small bag. I didn't want to get something too big. And let's see what it's going to be like. Ready? Here we go. Initial sniff. There's something in there. I'm blinking at you. Now we want you to get the full view here, so I'm going to take my glasses off so you can see if my eyes go. Now, what they look like, they're not a regular chip. They kind of look like a round, curled, kind of like a taco chip. See that? Little hole in there.
Can you smell it?
Hole going through. I might want to see if it's not all the way through, so they may have hidden some extra hot in it. Raluca wants to smell it. Come smell it, Raluca. Come on. Yeah, a little closer. Okay, so here, Raluca, I'll give you the first one.
Hot.
I'll give you the first one since
I don't know if I want to try that.
You don't want to try that? Okay, ready? Here we go. But before I try it, okay, we want to make sure if it's too hot. Raluca, would you look it up? I want to have the number to 911 just in case I need it. Would you look it up?
I got ice cream.
Oh, she has ice cream. Okay.
Yeah.
But, you know, I'm going to try it. What does that smell like? I'm kind of worried about trying it, Luke. You know why? Not because it smells hot. It smells a little like celery. I don't like celery.
You know why? Because it's got lime in it. That's
Got
what
lime?
I'm smelling.
Got the lime and the coconut and mix it all up. We got mama. Okay, here we go.
All right, do it. You did the reaper. Come on.
All seriousness aside, here we go, folks. Ready? This is the Takis. Takis. Whoa!
Ah, you almost dropped
Takis all over the floor. Hot chips. Are ready? Ready with Fuego. Okay, seriously. Here we go. Okay, that's just one. Just to give it a total taste test. Three. See this? That's two, but with the one, that's three. 1, 2, 3. Very crunchy. Here's proof of the crunch. Hold on one second.
Do a little ASMR.
Hear that crunch? Oh, I bit the mic. Sorry. That was very crunchy. I think I chipped a tooth. All right. How hot are they? Look at my eyes. Making me a little cross-eyed. No. They're not bad. They're hot, but not much hotter than any other, I guess you could say, supermarket type chip. I imagine if you ate the bag of them, you'd be going, you'll need something to drink after that. I just luckily have some Coke right here. Blah, blah, blah. So go ahead and try them. I think they're good. Would I buy them again? Probably not. They're okay, but the taste, like I said, that I guess she said it's lime, but to me it's kind of like celery, and you know how good celery is for you. So, Takis chips. Well, not me. Takis chips. Go ahead and try them. See if they're too hot for you. Again, I'm a pepper person because, you know, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, or with me, hot peppers. And so they're not too bad for me. They're kind of like maybe they made them with jalapenos or something like that, or some kind of you know, a mild thing that you put in tacos. So it's not too bad. So Takis Fuego chips, go ahead and try them. And thanks for watching. But remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye bye now. How do I turn this thing off?